In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Surfshark VPN on an Android phone. If you want to browse privately, stay protected on public Wi-Fi, or access content that's blocked in your region, then Surfshark is one of the easiest and safest tools you can use. It hides your real IP address, encrypts your connection, and makes your online experience much more secure. So let's walk through everything step by step. First, I've added my Surfshark link in the description so you can easily download it or grab a plan if you don't have one yet. Now take your Android phone, unlock it, and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Surfshark VPN and tap Install. The download usually completes in under a minute, depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, tap Open and the app will launch. The first screen you'll see will ask you to either log in or create an account. If you already have a Surfshark account, simply tap Log In, enter your email and password, and continue. If you're new to Surfshark, tap Create Account and follow the simple steps to sign up. Choose a subscription plan that fits what you need, and once your account is ready, the app will automatically take you to the main dashboard. Here, you'll notice a big circular Connect button in the center of the screen. This is the fastest way to start using the VPN. When you tap it, Surfshark will connect you to the best available server, usually the fastest one closest to your location. After a few seconds, you'll see a message that confirms you're connected, and the icon will turn green to show that everything is secure. But if you want to choose a specific country, tap the Locations tab at the bottom of the app. You'll see a long list of countries you can connect to. Open any country to view available cities and pick the one you prefer. This is useful if you're trying to access region-restricted apps, websites, or streaming content. Surfshark even offers features like static IP, which gives you the same IP each time you connect, and multi-hop, which routes your connection through two countries at once for extra privacy. You can also explore the Features tab, where you'll find helpful tools such as Clean Web. Clean Web blocks ads, trackers, and malicious websites while you browse, and you can turn it on or off anytime with a simple tap. It's a great way to enjoy a cleaner and safer browsing experience. If you head over to the Settings tab, you'll find even more options to customize how the VPN works. Auto Connect keeps your VPN running automatically whenever your phone connects to Wi-Fi or mobile data. The Kill Switch feature is also available here, and turning it on ensures that your internet stops immediately if the VPN ever disconnects. This prevents your real location or data from being exposed. Whenever you want to turn the VPN off, just go back to the main screen of the app and tap the Disconnect button. Everything will switch back to your regular internet connection. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to download, set up, and use Surfshark VPN on your Android phone. With just a few taps, you can protect your privacy, secure your personal data, and unlock more content from anywhere in the world. I've added my Surfshark link in the description for you to check out. Feel free to try it out and enjoy a safer online experience.